So my people, that reading right there is very important. You see, we have the conscious and the subconscious mind. And what happens is if you let the subconscious mind do what it do, it's always there to heal you. It's always there to prosper you and bring you amazement into your life. For the infinite intelligence works through the subconscious mind. God works through the subconscious mind. But you see, the conscious mind, which is the ego, which is what's speaking, which is what you're thinking. If you're thinking negative, speaking negative, gossiping, having negative conversations, negative self-talk, what you're doing is you're sending negative messages to your subconscious mind. You're telling your subconscious mind that you're desiring negative results in your life. So today, it's very imperative that you implement positive self-talk, positive conversations. You don't gossip, so that you send positive messages and reflection positive life.